Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In this video, I explain to you how to check TPM version on your computer. First of all, TPM is an abbreviation for Trusted Platform Module, and version 2 is required as a prerequisite for installing Windows 11 on a computer, and we can find the TPM version on the computer in more than one way. I will explain 3 quick ways to find out TPM version on your computer, and the first way is to open the search icon from the taskbar and type TPM.MSC in the search box. And click on the Microsoft Common Console document from the search results. And once Microsoft Common Console is fully loaded, you can check the TPM version from the opening screen. Here you will see the manufacturer's version, and also the specification version, and the most important thing here is that the specification version on this computer is version 2.0. There is also another easy way to check the TPM version on your computer, which is through the Device Manager. Open Windows Settings, and from there open the Device Manager page. When Console for Device Manager loads up, search for Security Devices, and expand it. You will find the TPM version under it, or what is called Trusted Platform Module, and you will verify that the TPM version is version 2.0. This method is easy and quick to access to know the TPM version on your computer, and the last method I have now is by using the PowerShell window, and through it you can enter a command that will display the TPM version. Enter the command that appears in front of you on the screen in the PowerShell window. I will leave you the command in the video description. Click on the Enter button to execute the command, and once the command is executed, it will display the TPM version on your computer. These 3 methods through which you can get to know the TPM version on your computer. Thank you for watching. I hope the video is useful to you. I also hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.